And out in Utah, the man accused of assassinating Charlie Kirk was in court. It was a virtual off-camera appearance with lawyers for the 22-year-old saying that they want more time to review evidence before they decide on whether they want a preliminary hearing. Now, Robinson is facing felony aggravated murder charges as well as some other charges, and prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. Joining us now is NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris. Misty, good to see you. So what happened today and what's going to happen next year?
So today was a waiver hearing, Gotti, and as you laid out, the idea was for the defense to come in and say whether or not they waive their right to a preliminary hearing or move forward. But we didn't get that far in court today because the defense team was just formally assigned to the case today and said that they needed more time to review the evidence in order to make that decision. Now, what we learned today, though, is the extensive amount of evidence that's going to be exchanged. They said there's a tremendous amount of digital evidence, and they're going to need time for the prosecutors to even get that over to the defense. So the next step will be another court conference in later October, October 30th, where the defense will make that decision about a preliminary hearing.
And, Misty, this is a capital punishment case, or potentially. What do we know about his legal team? Do we know who's paying them, and what's that going to look like?
So, Gotti, it is the county that actually pays for his legal team. Think about your favorite procedural crime drama. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be assigned. And what the obligation for the state or the county is that there is qualified defense team that's assigned to the case. And qualified means something different legally when you're talking about a death case. There are requirements that are very stringent for defense attorneys who can handle capital punishment cases. There's extra requirements for education and experience. He has a veteran set of lawyers led by Catherine Nestor out of Salt Lake City, who is very adept and skilled in this area, and then two other attorneys out of California. And what the county is anticipating is over $1 million of costs between those defense team and the prosecutors in order to take this case through trial.
NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris. Misty, thank you.